What's up guys, I am VSP. Today we are going to learn about how to install and set up OS in Raspberry Pi. So let's get started. The required components: Raspberry Pi, SD card, card reader and power supply cable. So for dumping the OS, I am using the 32 gigabits of SanDisk SD card. Let's insert inside the card reader and connect to the laptop. Now let's go inside the display.
So open the Chrome tab and search for SD card formatter, and here you can see the first link. Click on it, scroll it down. Here you can see the two versions of the software. One is for the Windows and another is for the Mac OS. Mine is Windows, so I am going to click on Windows for the downloading the software. Scroll it down. Click on accept for the downloading. It has been downloaded. We need another software. For that I am going to open the new tab. Search for the Raspberry Pi software download. You can see here official website with the berry symbol. Click on it. Scroll it down. Here you can see the three versions of the software. One is for the Windows, second is for the Mac OS, third is for the Ubuntu. As I said, I'm using the Windows, so I'm going to download Windows version to start downloading. It has been downloaded. So we have downloaded our two required softwares. I'm going to extract and install them. So click on next, click on I accept and click on next, click on next, click on install, click on yes and click on finish, click on yes for opening it. It has been opened. So as we have inserted the SD card already, we can see here our SD card. So click on quick format and click on format and click on yes and click on OK. Now close it. So our SD card is ready for writing OS on it. Now let's install Raspberry Pi Imager. Click on yes, click on install and click on finish. Here you can see two things to select. This is for choosing the OS, this is for choosing the storage. Click on choose OS. We don't require all the stuff here. Here so many stuff you can see. I'm going to download the recommended one. We can also see different versions of the Raspberry Pi. Click here and you can see here 32-bit lite, 32-bit full and 64-bit and 64-bit lite and so on. Go back. I'm going to download the recommended one and I have selected the OS and I'm going to select the storage. As we have already inserted the SD card, you can see SD card here. Select and click on write and click on yes. It's going to start writing the OS. It's gonna take couple of minutes.
A few moments later.
And it has started the verifying.
Many minutes later.
So the verification is also completed. Click on the continue. So we done here. Let's remove the SD card.
Now the SD card is ready with the OS. So let's insert the SD card inside the Raspberry Pi. Connect to the monitor with HDMI cable and give the power supply to the Raspberry Pi. For the power supply, I am using the power bank. We can also use charging adapter for the power supply. The light is on, that means the Raspberry Pi started booting. For the controlling purpose, I am using wireless mouse and keyboard.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us.
There will be few things to set up before we start using the Pi desktop. Click on next and set up the language. Click on next and wait.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Now give the username and password to your Pi.
Finding life along the way, melodies we haven't played. No, I don't want no rest. Echoing around these walls, fighting to create a song. I don't wanna miss a beat.
Click on next. Click on next.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun
Again click on
rays.
next and next and click on OK. And click on restart to apply our settings.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
So we can see the Raspberry Pi desktop is ready now. We can connect to the network.
Jarvis, you there?
At your service, sir.
Gauge heads-up display.
Check.
Four-door preferences from home interface.
Will do so.
All right, what do you say?
I have indeed been uploaded, sir. We're online and ready.
Guys, if your network is not showing, don't bother about it, because some Pis can only show the 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if your Wi-Fi is 5 gigahertz, make sure that you have a 2.5 gigahertz Wi-Fi too. So guys, thanks for watching the video till the end. I hope you liked the video. Please subscribe the channel and comment below what should be in the next video. I hope we reach 20 subscribers soon.